Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I shall discuss some concepts and formula related to chapter 6, not 6, chapter 7 integral NCERT 12 mathematics. This is the chapter 7 integral NCERT 12 mathematics. First of all, I shall take differentiation and thereafter I shall take integration. Here I have written d over dx of x raised to the power n equal to nx raised to the power n minus 1, where n is not equal to 1. This is the formula you must remember. Here x is a variable, n is a real number of fraction. Here this notion is integral. This is the notion of integral. Since we are going to study integration, this notion you must keep in memory. This notion that is known as an elephant's trunk. An elephant trunk notion. This is integral. Integral x raised to the power n dot dx equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 whole over n plus 1, where n is not equal to minus 1. This is the formula you must remember. Here x is variable, n is an integer or fraction. These are the basic formulas about differentiation and basic formula about integration. Now next formula I am going to write here. D over dx of 1 over x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power minus 1 equal to minus 1, I shall write in bracket, dot x raised to the power n is minus 1 minus 1. You will get here minus 1 over x square we shall get. d over dx of 1 over x equal to d over dx. Here x raised to the power 1 is available. This can be written as x raised to the power minus 1. d over dx of x raised to the power minus 1. Apply this formula. Here the value of n is minus 1. So here in place of n I have written minus 1, x I have written, and in place of n I shall write minus 1, or this minus 1 minus 1. You will get here minus 1, here you will get x raised to the power minus 2 comes out to be x square. You will get here equal to minus 1 over x square we shall get. Again I shall write integral 1 over x dot dx equal to log mod x plus c. Where x is not equal to 0. This is the formula. C is a constant. d over dx of 1 over x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power minus 1 equal to minus 1 dot x raised to the power minus 1 we will get here minus 1 over x square. Integral 1 over x dot dx equal to log mod x plus c, where x is not equal to 0, c is a constant. This is the formula you must remember. Again I shall write. Next formula I am going to take here, d over dx of e raised to the power x. Here e is an exponential function. X is a variable. E raised to the power x is an exponential function. You will get here equal to e raised to the power x. This is the formula you must remember. Here again I shall write integral e raised to power x dot dx equal to e raised to power x plus c, where c is a constant. This is the formula, remember this one. Now next formula I shall take here, d over dx of a raised to power x. This is the question. So here I shall write implied that let y equal to a raised to the power x. Here y is a function, a is a constant, x is a variable. Now expand this one, solve this one on taking log in both sides. We shall get implied that log y equal to log a raised to the power x. You will get here implied that log y equal to x dot log a. Again I shall write dwrt x. dwrt x means differentiating log y with respect to x. So I shall write here implied that d over dx of log y equal to d over dx of x dot log a. You will get here d over dx of log y comes out to be 1 over y dot dy over dx equal to, here log a is a constant, you will get here log a, and d over dx of x comes out to be 1. You will get here dy over dx equal to y dot log a, implied that dy over dx equal to, put the value of y equal to, we have got a raised to power x. So here write a raised to power x dot log a. This is the formula, remember this one. This one you must remember. Now what will do next? Next I shall write integral e raised to the power x dot log a dot dx from this place I have taken integral e raised power x dot log a dot dx. You will get here what will get here? Don't write this one like this, remember. Integral a raised power x dot dx equal to a raised power x whole over log a plus c, where c is a constant. This is also one kind of formula, remember this. Now I shall prove this formula, how this formula will be derived. So from this place I shall take, we know that dy over dx equal to e raised power x dot log a. From where we have got? From this place. Here you can see dy over dx equal to a raised power x dot log a. dy over dx equal to a raised power x dot log a. I am taking integral in both sides. You will get here integral dy over dx equal to integral a raised power x dot log a. Since I have written here notion of integral, to here write dot dx. In term of x write here dot dx. So we will get here, don't write dot dx, you can write like this, implied that. Here you can see integral dy over dx equal to integral a raised power x dot log a. From this place I have got, just put integral before dy over dx, same thing I have written. And here I have written a raised power x dot log a. Before I shall write integral a raised power x dot log a. You will get here integral dy equal to here dx is there in denominator, that will be thrown in right hand side. You will get here integral e raised power x dot log a dot dx we shall write. You will get here implied that. Here you can see integral dy. So here I can write in terms of y, here write y raised power 0 dot dy. You will get here equal to, apply, here you can see y is available, here y is available. Bases are the same, you can very well apply this formula. On application of this formula, you will get here y raised power 0 plus 1 whole over 0 plus 1. This thing you will get here equal to y. So here I can write very well implied that integral dy equal to y, I can write very well. Implied that y equal to What we'll do next? Y equal to integral a raised power x dot log a dot dx. Proceed further. You will get here implied that y equal to here you can see here log a is a constant. So right here log a will be popped out. Right here in bracket log a will be put in bracket. Integral a raised power x dot dx implies that y equal to log a integral a raised power x dot dx. This formula integral a raised power x dot dx. In place of this value I shall write this one. Here you can see integral a power x dot dx. Here integral a power x dot dx are the same. What we'll do here? Here in place of integral a power x dot dx I shall write this term. So here write a raised power x dot log a. Log a will be cancelled out. We'll get here a raised power x. We have got here y equal to a raised power x. Y equal to a raised power x. So here you can see I have let here let y equal to a raised power x. Same thing you have got y equal to a power x. This means that this formula is valid. This is the proving of some basic formulas. Now next I shall take d over dx of sin x. Here sin x, this is a sin a function. Ja x, sin means ja. Sin means ja. Sin means ja. Just you can write here ja. Sin means ja. This notion sin. Sin means I shall write in Hindi. We can call ja. D over dx of sin x equal to cos x. This is the basic formula you must remember. D over dx of sin x equal to cos x. This formula, basic formula you must remember. Now reverse of d over dx of sin x equal to cos x, we shall get integral cos x dot dx equal to sin x I shall write. Integral cos x dot dx equal to sin x I shall write. Here you can write plus c also. This is the formula you must remember. Here write plus c. Integral cos x dot dx equal to sin x plus c. Next formula I am going to take here. d over dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. d over dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. So here again I shall write integral minus sin x dot dx equal to cos x. You will get here implied that integral sin x dot dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral sin x dot dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral in bracket minus sin x dot dx equal to cos x. Implied that this minus will thrown back to right hand side. You will get here implied that integral sin x dot dx equal to minus cos x plus c. These are the some basic formulas I have written here. Now I have got some space here. One formula I shall explain. Integral tan x dot dx. We shall find out the value of integral tan x dot dx. So here I can write very well integral tan x can be written as sin x over cos x dot dx. Integral tan x dot dx equal to integral sin x over cos x dot dx. I can write again here. Write let cos x equal to t. In place of here cos x, I shall put t. What will do here? Here again I shall write d over dx of cos x equal to d over dx of t. You will get here implied that d over dx of cos x, you will get here minus sin x equal to dt over dx. You will get dt over dx. So what will do here? Here you have got sin x dot dx equal to minus dt can be written. From this place you can see here sin x will multiply to dx. You will get here sin x dot dx equal to minus dt. Now take out the original function. Original function here integration word is there. In place of integration I shall write here I is a notion of integral. Integration. I is a notion of an integration. The integration I equal to integral tan x dot dx equal to integral from this place here integral sin x dot dx. In place of sin x dot dx I shall write minus dt. So here I write minus dt over t. This method is known as a substitution method. This method is known as a substitution method. Substitution method. This method is known as substitution method. Substitution method. This method is known as substitution. Substitution method माने विस्थापित करने वाला, एक टर्म के बदले में दूसरे टर्म को विस्थापित कर देना. सब्स्टिट्यूट मीन्स विस्थापित करना, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मीन्स विस्थापन. Complete terms here is there in terms of x. The complete term which is there in terms of x has been substituted in the terms of t. So here you have got integral minus dt over t. So we will get here minus log mod t plus c. So here we have got I equal to minus log, in place of t I shall write cos x mod plus c. You will get here I equal to log in bracket cos x raised power minus 1 plus c. We will get here I equal to log. Here you can see cos x raised power minus 1 can be written as 1 over cos x. Comes out to be sec x. So here I shall write in bracket log sec x plus c. So here we have got I equal to log sec x plus c. This is the normal method of solving a problem related to integration by substitution method, विस्थापन मेथड के द्वारा इंटीग्रेशन के सवाल हल किए जाते हैं. तो I equal to log sec x plus c you have got. Here a raised power x is available. Here write log a dot dx. You have got this is x. So you have got one important formula here, I equal to log sec x plus c. This means that integral tan x dot dx equal to integral tan x dot dx equal to log sec x plus c. These are the some basic derivations of formulas related to integration we have completed today on this white board. Okay guys.